Today my topic is hovercraft, and it uses the high volume gas to make bottom of the craft annually. It will decrease resistance when we use it to drive. Air cushion, this one, is use fan. This is fan and compress gas into the air cushion. It means some gas in the fan and it can compress it into the air cushion, and it will make the air cushion soft. And it also can increase the contact area with the water and lower the surface pressure. It means the gas into the air cushion will make it bigger, and it can increase the contact area, and that's why it can increase the speed of the hovercraft.
Today we are going to talk about the topic is hovercraft. And last summer vacation, I went to Hainan and I found a very special ship which can move so fast and have a little bit resistance. And then I researched on internet. It's called hovercraft, and today we are going to talk about it. There have been many attempts to understand the principles of high air pressure below hulls and wings, and to extend the majority of these can be termed water-effective vehicles. Rather than hovercraft, the principal difference is the hovercraft can lift itself while still, whereas the majority of other designs require forward motion to create a lift. And the first motion in historical record of the concept that used the term hovering like this, and used the hovering to was by the Sweden scientist called Emanuel Swedenborg in 1716, and developed further and further goes through many of the scientists and engineers. And that's the history of the hovercraft, and then my two other partners will tell you about the principles and inventions.
I think you have already know how hovercraft boat use. Then I want to talk something about how to improve that. I think you know a train named maglev train. That train can go up the road, and you don't need to touch the road. So this train go really faster than the train before. I think if we can improve our boat and make that like that maglev train, this boat cannot go on the water and up. It can go up the water. And I think there are some methods to get this problem. First, all of us know that water is a polar liquid. If we can use a non-polar liquid to light this boat up this water, and there is something named the liquid paraffin. It is a non-polar liquid, and maybe it can come true in the future, but there are a problem. And this problem is that how we can put this non-polar liquid under the boat. My second method to solve this problem is use a thing named liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen is something just like nitrogen, and but this thing must use like temperature is really cold, and it can let boat float. But there are also some problems is that how we can let the temperature under the boat really cold. Maybe the water under it will become ice. So there are the third method. I think it is the best thing. There is something in biology named fatty lipid chain. Just look like this one. This thing can, that it can't dissolve in the water. So if we use this thing under the boat, maybe this boat will float up the water and it don't need to touch the water. And those three things is, I think, to solve these problems. Maybe it will come true in the future.